Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys what a Mallard dog does in Grow a Garden. So this is what the pet looks like. You get it from purchasing it in the fall shop here, Fall Festival Pets. It is a legendary pet, so it is southbound on the half-hourly. All Mallards, I still don't know how to pronounce it properly, fly south to migrate. This leaves you with a random reward. It returns to your inventory. So I have 3 Mallards. Um, so the more you have of this pet, the more rewards you get. So I have 3 so far. I don't know if I'm going to add, well, I'm going to get more. Some people actually use this duck to get a red panda. I'm not sure if that works, but I've seen it around. But yeah, that is pretty much it. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.